Good morning, everybody. It is February 2nd, and I'm currently at breakfast. I got some orange juice, a croissant, and I don't know what this stuff is. I got some salami and some fruit. So it's a long day ahead of us. We're gonna do some more sightseeing. We're gonna go to the Palace of Versailles. Super early. It's like 8. That's early for me. So I was up till like 1 last night. So we'll see you there. Alright, so we are in front of the infamous Notre Dame Cathedral, and we are about to go in. Look how absolutely amazing it is. I don't know how to get a good angle. Like that maybe? Thumbnail. Oh no, my group left without me. So we just left Notre Dame, and they had a full-blown like service going on. There was just tourists walking around, so that was definitely strange and new. Never had a church service where literally tourists were just like walking through the service. But we're gonna go on a boat tour now, or we're gonna do something before the boat tour, but we're gonna go on a boat tour. All right, so we just went into the Shakespearean Company. It's like a bookstore. Honestly, it was bigger than I expected. Like there was an upstairs, there was back rooms, like it went on forever. Like it looks tiny, but honestly, it goes on forever. The only thing is that it's like super cramped in there, and there was literally like 100 people, and everyone's trying to pass each other. So kind of claustrophobic, but it was honestly super cute, super quaint. You can see Notre Dame behind me. Alright, so the boat tour was really cool. I like kind of fell asleep through half of it, not needing to, which just kind of happened, so I'm tired. And now we're at Versailles, which is a palace, and it looks humongous, and my feet are already hurting. So let's power through this. to Versailles and now we're at McDonald's, and you had to order on like that thing and I couldn't figure out how to do it, and my order ended up being wrong, but I'm still gonna eat it. I got chicken nuggets and I meant to get fries, but I got potato wedges instead. And I got Diet Coke, but the Diet Coke sucks. But you know what? I'm still gonna enjoy it. And then my feet are killing me, so I can't wait to get home and go to bed because I'm so tired. So I'll check in with you guys later because I'm gonna eat now because I'm starving. You can see my nose ring inside my nose. Alright, hey guys, so I'm sitting in the lobby. I'm so tired I can't even think. I'm sitting in the lobby of the hotel. I have a voltage converter and it has every single adapter except for a French one. So I'm sitting here charging both my phone and my portable charger, because my portable charger is good for like 4 charges. So if I charge it fully tonight, right now, I'll be good for tomorrow because we go home tomorrow. So yeah, it was a really long day. Obviously I'm back at the hotel. I'm just gonna sit and charge my stuff. While I'm doing that, I'm reading my book. I'm reading Anne Frank right now because I'm going to Amsterdam and I've never read Anne Frank because my school sucked. So I'm doing that so when I go to the Anne Frank house, I can appreciate it more. And I'm just chilling like a villain, and I'm exhausted. It's literally only like 7 o'clock, but I'm already ready for bed, and my feet hurt so bad. So yeah, I'm gonna charge myself, and I'm gonna go to bed, and that was it for today. So I will see you tomorrow in tomorrow's vlog.